after you haven't been to Nova Scotia for a while, you come back here and you're like, no wonder I used to ride here every weekend. Ah, smell that ocean stink. Little group ride in Nova Scotia. Second time this year. Imagine that. This used to be a once a weekend occurrence, but now it's a big event. We got about 7 bikes here with us. Almost 8. Zim almost made it, but can't find his gloves apparently. For some reason, our communicators aren't working too well. I can't even speak to Tracy at the moment. I guess next stop I'm gonna have to get my phone out and try to sort this out. I just realized, look at this, these leaves are changing. Oh my god. It's the beginning of the end. But I guess we got no real hard plan on a route yet. Just gotta decide on the fly. Could be another similar run through Oxford and Spring Hill. Maybe even go a little bit further and head down towards Wallace and Masstown. Not only have I not done that this year, I don't think I did that last year either. That's just pitiful. It's kind of cool. Heading into Landon Dieppe. Riding in Nova Scotia is always fun, but getting to and from there is always the worst part of the trip. Especially when you come this way. I like entering Nova Scotia from this direction, but getting there, following this highway route is kind of annoying. Now, I bumped my mirror and it's all fucked up. Last time I come flying around here, I didn't realize there was a fucking set of lights. I went right through it almost. Everything seemed pretty clear, not, you know what it is? Whenever you went home by yourself last time, I bet you were trying to shut it off because you were pushing 2-button combinations trying to get it to shut off, and I bet you switched it into Bluetooth mode. Alright, so communications are back. And again, someone in a vehicle sees a bunch of bikes behind them, so the race is on. You can really feel it warming up fast. I bet you the temperature's almost gone up 10 degrees since we left. Old Shinaminigus. For fuck's sakes. I guess I was a little bit over the 50km/h speed limit, but still. You should be looking at the fucking road before you pull out into it. Put that new air filter in like over 5,000 kilometers ago. I haven't had it back apart yet to clean it. Speaking of kilometers, I'm at 29,998. All these kilometer milestones on this one are important since I didn't think it was going to even see 25,000. Whoa, I wonder if the hurricane did that. I can't remember. Can't remember what shape that burn was in before. There it is. 30,000. After you haven't been to Nova Scotia for a while, you come back here and you're like, holy fuck, no wonder I used to ride here every weekend. So what are you thinking? How are you feeling? Okay, well, I'm gonna pull over. I think there's a store over here. I'll pull in there and ask everybody what they want to do. Pretty bad. I haven't been on this road in so long, or even down in this whole area in so long. I can't remember distances between fuel stops or even the layout of the road. Like, geez, that water looks really shallow. The funniest thing about chasing Jake at speeds like this is just how goddamn comfortable he looks. He looks like he could be just putting along at 80 kilometers an hour on a back road.
Had to get on camera somehow.
There you are. I just had you for a second there. Oh, you were still getting radio? Holy fuck. It's impressive. I said, here he comes. Has he got another one in him? Oh, there we go. It'd be cool to come through here and see a train coming over this. all the times I've done it, I've never seen it. It just doesn't seem right that a train should be that high up in the ground, off the ground, but it's not even that high of a bridge, I guess, as far as train bridges go. Shit, I can't even remember the last time I came in here. Probably should have went in that entrance. Now we gotta go through a traffic circle and probably die. Catch of the Bay. Find a spot over there. Alright, quick stop in Masstown, and now we split up. We got 4 members of the group heading back home on the highway, including Tracy. Her foot's kind of bothering her. So, Megan and Vinny and I are gonna continue on the back roads here. Had so few days to get out and do this, I just can't imagine taking the highway right now. I don't blame those guys for it, but I just realized now there's a dog sticking his head out the window watching me here. Hi, puppy. The big ears just flopping in the wind. Change of plans, guys. I'm not sure where this Tacoma's going, but we're just going to follow him. Might even be going for a few days, I'm not sure. Oh, we lost the Tacoma, but I picked up a leaf on my mirror. Wow, what are the odds of that? Let's see how long it hangs on. Islands. There's actually 5 of them out there too, so it's hard to count them all. Like Mr. Subaru was enjoying himself through here too. This is off in a very sketchy, dirty turn. Not bad today, but I'm still gonna take it easy and wait for Megan to catch up here. Oh, there she is. It's a nice little stretch of road as long as they don't let it get too rough.